I read the news so that you don't have to. Did you hear about the billionaire that briefly became the second richest man in the world, but turns out it probably wasn't that legit? So the headline says, bank probe reveals that Adani associates had secret investments. And you're thinking, who's Adani and why do I care? Hold tight, I will tell you. So before I get into that, I want to tell you about Hindenburg Research. They are a US short seller, and back in 2023, they accuse Adani of stock manipulation, using offshore entities to inflate the share price, and artificially restricting free float shares. So Adani denied all of this, and last year the Securities and Exchange Board for India, SEBI, said, yeah, it's fine, there's no wrongdoing, we're okay. So this is when the headline comes in, because this Italian bank have said, something's not right here. Italy's biggest bank, Intesa Sanpaolo, has uncovered documents suggesting that two close associates of the Adani family held billions of dollars of Adani shares right up until the moment the bombshell was dropped. So there are two key names, Chang Cheng-ling, who is from Taiwan, and Nasser Ali Shaban Ali from the UAE, and respectively they held $1 billion and $2 billion in hedge funds. So almost the entirety of the underlying assets were Adani shares. So what's the big deal? So Adani Company has an unusually small proportion of their shares available to the public. So if associates secretly control large blocks of shares, it makes the market look more liquid than it really is. Prices rise faster, more dramatically, and valuations are way more inflated. Between 2020 and 2022, Adani listed companies quadrupled in value, and Gautam Adani briefly became the second richest man in the world. Just so you know, that growth isn't normal. So allegedly, the holdings were placed in Bermudian funds, BVI entities, and they were managed by the UK-based Elara Capital. Hindenburg Research, the US short seller, accused Elara Capital in the UK of running the funds and intentionally structuring them to conceal the UBO, the ultimate beneficial owner. Oh, did I mention that former UK Minister Joe Johnson, brother of Boris Johnson, used to be a non-exec director at Elara, but resigned a few days after the Hindenburg report dropped. So here's the mad thing. Adani isn't just a businessman. He's a conglomerate. Adani Group runs India's biggest ports, biggest private power company, major airports, and they're a huge coal importer. His infrastructure is critical to India's economy. So regulators face this dilemma. Do they crack down hard and risk destabilizing markets, or go soft and lose credibility? I'm sure we know which one they're going to choose.